Presenting the 1998 BMW 5 Series 540i. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power windows, leather seats, rear defrost, intermittent wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes, adjustable steering wheel, ABS, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and sun moonroof. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.